Hey guys, so it is that time of the year that we see all of these amazing gift sets and value sets on the market. You guys know I love myself a good deal, especially when it comes to high-end makeup items. It's always nice to get something in a kit because more often than not you will get a great value, and oftentimes you will get smaller sizes. Usually they're not going to be full sizes, which I personally don't mind because when you have a lot of makeup, deluxe sizes or just maybe half sizes of full-size items really don't make that big of a difference. They're easier to travel with, they're easy to throw in a holiday clutch, and today I'm going to be talking about 4 of the best lip gift sets that I have found. All of these gift sets are $25 or under. 3 of them are $25. 1 of them is under $25. These make amazing stocking stuffers if you're looking to add something into the stocking of a makeup junkie. These also make great trial sets if you're maybe in the market to try out a new formula or new colors, or you just want to experiment a little bit more. So the 4 lip gift sets that we're going to be talking about in this video. First off, we have one from OFRA of their liquid lipstick set. We also have a mini lip gloss set from Anastasia. Clinique came out with this really unique, interesting lipstick set that we'll talk about, and also Too Faced has a mini matte melted liquid lipstick set. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about all 4 of those. I'll run through all the details, I'll tell you guys the prices, the value of everything you get. We'll be doing lip swatches of absolutely everything I'm going to be talking about today, so it's going to be hopefully a really informative video. So let's go ahead and jump into all of the fun stuff by first discussing the OFRA liquid lipstick set. This is called the Hot Toddy set from their Winter Heat Wave collection. It comes in really cute packaging like this. This has 4 different liquid lipsticks. All of the colors included in this set are permanent shades in the OFRA line. That's one thing that I have to say I am a really big fan of, because if you've been wanting to try any of these colors or just the OFRA liquid lipstick formula in general but haven't had a chance to, this entire kit is $20, which is the price of one of their liquid lipsticks full size. So in this kit you get to try 4. They are mini size liquid lipsticks, however you're still getting a really decent amount of product in each of these. So here's a closer look at the 4 colors that you're getting in this set. You're actually getting 1 of their metallic colors, which is this one right here, and 3 of their traditional just matte liquid lipsticks. This set has my all-time favorite nude liquid lipstick. I'm talking not just from OFRA, but my all-time holy grail nude liquid lipstick is included in this kit. Running through the colors on my lips, first off we have Monaco, which is kind of a frosty, icy, metallic mid-tone pink. Then we have Harbour, which like I said is the perfect nude, my holy grail nude. It's a beautiful brown with a slight mauve tint to it. Then we have Brickell, which is a true bright Christmas red. This is perfect for the holiday time. And finally we have Mina, which is a gorgeous vampy raspberry with like a berry twist. If you guys haven't heard me rave about the OFRA liquid lipstick formula before, it is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. At this point, it's definitely become my go-to formula because it is so comfortable on the lips, super easy to apply. They're not super drying. They're easy to reapply throughout the day. So here's a little comparison at a full-size OFRA liquid lipstick next to the minis that you're getting in this set. In each of these mini tubes, you are getting 2 grams of product, whereas in the full-size tube, you're getting 6 grams of product. So that means this mini tube is 3 times smaller, which actually isn't as bad as I feel like it looks visually. In this kit, you're getting a $26.67 value. Plus, if you use the coupon code Ishani, which you guys know I'm an OFRA affiliate, you guys can get 30% off of this kit. So that brings this kit's price down from 20 bucks to $14. For $14, this is a complete steal. If you want to introduce this formula to your friends or family over the holidays, this is a great way to do it. I really do like the color range given in this kit. It's just an amazing kit. Totally recommend. Next up, I want to talk about this Anastasia lip gloss set. This is just the holiday lip gloss set. I don't really think it has a name. You're getting 4 shades of gloss in this little kit. All of the colors are very very, very glittery. I mean, this set is perfect if you're looking for some holiday bling. This kit retails for $25 and you are getting 4 limited edition new shades of gloss. Here's a look at the 4 shades in this collection. Again, you can see they're sheer colors, but they do have this incredible sparkle glitter effect. I don't even think the camera is picking that up, which is really unfortunate because, oh my goodness, these are stunning. Okay, so running through the specific shades, first off we have Diamond, which is a clear base with this beautiful pink and slightly blue and gold iridescent sparkle. Then we have Citrine, which is a slightly yellow toned base with this really, really bright yellow, gold, and kind of green sparkle. Then we have Pearl, which is a sheer peach base with this beautiful peach and gold iridescent sparkle. And finally we have Pink Tourmaline, which is a very sheer pink base with this super, super pretty kind of transparent hot pink sparkle. In terms of the sizes of the glosses in here, each of these little tubes is also 2 grams a piece. A full-size Anastasia lip gloss has about 4.5 grams of product for $16. That means that this kit is a $28.44 value. With this kit in particular, you're not saving a whole lot of money for like a $28 value and you're spending $25. But the way I look at it is that I get to try 4 different shades without having to purchase all 4 shades in the full size. And if I get to save a couple dollars on that, all the better. So this is a beautiful gloss set if you're looking for some holiday sparkly glosses. The formula isn't overly thick or sticky or tacky. It does have enough thickness to cling onto the lips, but if you were to layer this over another lipstick or a liquid lipstick, you're not going to feel like there's too much product on your lips or that it's really gooped on. Again, because of the kind of iridescent sparkles, these glosses, in my opinion, are really meant to be layered. Definitely recommend this kit if you're looking for a new lip gloss kit. It's the best one that I have found on the market personally. Next up, I want to talk about, honestly, the set that kind of started this whole video idea. This is the Too Faced The Sweet Smell of Christmas set. Too Faced knows their marketing. They know the gimmicks to give us in order to at least make me buy it. This set includes 4 different shades of their Melted Matte lipstick. All of these are limited edition shades, and each shade is inspired by a holiday flavor, and every shade is scented differently. You guys know I'm a big fan of different scents in different lip products. That's what I did with my own cosmetics line, so I'm a fan of this. Here's a quick look at the 4 shades that you're getting, and if you guys can see, the top of each of the bottles has a little idea of the different scents that they are. The colors in this set are definitely pretty nude heavy. There are 3 kind of nude neutrally colors, and then you get 1 beautiful holiday red. Running through the 4 colors on my lips, first off we have Pumpkin Spice, which of course smells like pumpkin spice, and it's a beautiful mid-tone, kind of warm orangey terracotta color. Next up we have Sugar Cookie, which is too light for my skin tone. It's a very, very light nude. Then we have Cinnamon Bear, which is a gorgeous red with a slight orangey tone to it. It's beautiful for the holidays. And finally we have Hot Buttered Rum, which is a medium dark, kind of warm brown color. This is another one that is stunning for the holidays. It's actually the lip color that I've been wearing throughout this video. Each of these different lipsticks smell like the different scents. So we've got Pumpkin Spice, Sugar Cookie, Cinnamon Bear, and Hot Buttered Rum. They all coordinate. So, so cute. I have nothing to complain about with any of the scents. They're all delicious. The only thing I'm not a fan of is this Sugar Cookie scent. This would totally work on people with light to maybe medium skin tone, but if you're tan or darker, this is going to be too white based. Here's a side-by-side of one of the mini Melted Matte liquid lipsticks next to a full size. In terms of the actual amount of product, in a mini you're getting 0.1 ounces, whereas in a full size you're getting 0.23 ounces. A full size retails for $21, and like I said, this whole kit retails for $25. That means that this kit is a $36.52 value. If you've never tried this formula, it is another one of my all-time favorite liquid lip formulas. The formula doesn't flake, it doesn't get cakey or patchy or clumpy. It's a really, really nice formula. It's just a little bit more of a classic liquid lipstick than the OFRA, which is almost like a liquid lipstick, cream lipstick hybrid. With the Too Faced, you just have to go into it knowing it's a liquid lipstick. I still personally don't mind it at all, but I could see someone maybe thinking this is a little dry in terms of the way it feels on their lips. I love them both though. These are both very different kits. It just kind of depends on what you are looking for. Okay, and then the final set that I wanted to talk about, this is a Clinique set that's exclusive to Macy's. I was literally just walking around the Macy's beauty department, which I don't do very often, but they were doing like a 15% off the whole beauty department sale. I assume to compete with the Sephora sale, and I ran into this. This is a $25 lipstick set from Clinique, and it has 5 full-size lipsticks. This formula is the Clinique Pop Lip Color and Primer formula. Now they did package it in this limited edition holiday packaging. To me, they look a little bit cheapy just because I know this style is kind of included in a lot of Clinique gift with purchase type things, and the packaging doesn't feel super substantial. Like, it is very, very flimsy. If you were to purchase an actual full size of the Clinique Pop Lip Color and Primer lipsticks, they come in packaging like this. So they're quite a bit cuter. I love the little short, squatty, rectangular tubes. But putting the packaging aside, you guys, these are 5 full-size lipsticks in the same formula, that super, super amazing, luxurious Clinique Pop formula. It's a formula that I raved about years ago. It is a traditional lipstick. It's a creamy, shiny finish lipstick. It is incredibly, incredibly comfortable on the lips. It almost has this super, super smooth gel-like finish. It's not thick or cakey or heavy. If you are in the market for a really, really comfortable feeling lipstick and you're kind of over the matte liquid lip or even just the matte lipstick thing, definitely look into these. This would be an amazing gift too. So here's a quick look at the 5 shades that you're getting in the kit. They're all very, very wearable colors. 3 of the shades in this kit are permanent. You can actually purchase them full size if you want, and then 2 of them are limited edition and exclusive to this kit. Jumping into the lip swatches for this kit, first off we have Sugar Pop, and this is your kind of light peachy nude color. Then we have Plum Pop, which is one of my favorites from this entire line. This is a gorgeous mid-tone mauvey neutral color. Next up we have Party Pop, which is kind of a bright pinky coral color. Very beautiful, very unique. Then we have Raspberry Pop, which is your perfect berry pinkish statement color. I absolutely love it. And finally we have Cherry Pop, which is your classic bright holiday red. If you were to purchase these lipsticks in the full size version, which like I said, they don't come in this particular packaging, they come in this packaging, they each retail for $19.50. Since all 5 of these lipsticks are full size, the value of this set, you're paying $25 for this set, but the value is $97.50. That value is freaking insane. I don't think enough people talk about this formula. Like I said, I did talk about it on my channel years ago when it first launched, but since then it's kind of faded away, and I am happy to reintroduce myself to it in this kit. This is amazing. Alrighty guys, so there we have it. That is a roundup of all 4 of my personal favorite holiday lip kits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want links on where to purchase all of these items, I will put links below. I will put any coupon codes if I have them, which I just have a coupon code for the OFRA set, but I'll put that down below as well. Other than that, thank you guys so, so much for all of your love and support. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. I'll see you then. Bye.